auto alarm specialist.
2013 GS 350. Basically, we did the shock sensor add-on to the factory alarm system to protect the rims and anybody who busts out the window, try to bust out the key lock, so the alarm will fire off. Before the shock sensor install to add on to the factory alarm, you can take a baseball bat, destroy this whole car. As long as you don't open any of the doors, the alarm will not go off. This way, it's like having a full, like having an aftermarket alarm, but without having to carry an extra fob around. I'm gonna go ahead and bang on the door. Alarm will fire off. Turn off the alarm, you hit unlock. So yeah, basically this gives you, you know, the shock will give you full protection all around the vehicle. This guy's got aftermarket rims. Normally they hit the factory rims more than they do the aftermarket. The factory rims have a lot of resale value because of cars that get crashed, or say you turn on this, return this car back to the dealer. You know, the only person who's going to buy is somebody who likes these type of rims and whatnot. You know, it narrows down the selection of customers that will actually buy the car. As soon as you slap on the factory rims, for some reason, I know it sounds crazy, but you get more, you know, the guy who's not into rims and stuff like that, you know, the car will sell a lot quicker. So that's why those rims, you know, they sell very fast instead of these. It has to be that guy who likes this type of rim. I'm gonna hit the tire right here real quick. This concludes the shock sensor on this Lexus. This upgrade was done here in Fort Lauderdale by Auto Alarm Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And yes, we do have free mobile service. Thank you for watching this video.